Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Net, a self-taught baker, bringing you weekly recipes. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make some Valentine's Day macarons. So please, on your way in, if you could hit the like for me, leave me a comment, and also subscribe and join the family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is add our egg whites. And you want to make sure this is room temperature. Next, we'll be adding our salt, and then we're just going to whisk this together until we get some nice stiff peaks. Next, we'll be adding our sugar gradually. Next, we'll be adding our vanilla extract to our wet mixture. We'll also be using some red food coloring just to turn the color of the red of your desire. So you might want to keep adding and adjusting the color until you get the red that you want. So in a separate bowl, I went ahead and sifted some powdered sugar and flour, which we'll be adding it to our wet mixture. And what you want to do is slowly add this in and fold it in, making sure you're not over mixing. And when it's completely mixed, it should look something like this. So now I'm just going to place my mixture inside of a piping bag. So it's very important to know what size macarons you want. And I'm kind of glad that my silicone mats come with the little map for it. So if you can, try to make them all the same size. And I'm just going to speed this portion up. But once we got all of these on here, we're going to go ahead and make sure we don't have no type of air bubbles into it. So now we're just going to tap to release any air bubbles and make sure that all the cookies don't have no type of air bubbles, because it'll come out like cracked. And I would like to give a special shout out to my channel members. Y'all go check out my channel members as they post regularly as well. And I know you will enjoy their content just as much as I do. So go ahead and join my membership if you haven't already for exclusive perks and monthly giveaways. The first giveaway happening February 1st on my birthday. So y'all stay tuned. Now this part is very important. You want to make sure you let these sit out for about 30 minutes before sticking into the oven. After about 30 minutes, we're going to stick these into the oven on 300 for about 12 to 15 minutes. You know they ready to go in the oven once they have a shiny top and you could touch it and it don't stick. Now for our frosting, we'll be adding about 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter And we're going to just whisk this until it gets nice and airy. Next, we're going to add our lemon juice. Lastly, we'll be gradually adding our powdered sugar until it's nice and creamy. Trust the process. I know it's going to look lumpy and clumpy, but as the whisk continue to keep going, it's going to make it nice and smooth and creamy. Trust me. Now we're just going to scrape the edges and continue to whisk. So now that our cookies have cooled down, we're going to go ahead and add our filling to our macarons. And fam, when I tell y'all these was a hit, I really enjoy these. My whole family really enjoy these. So I hope you guys get a chance to try this recipe. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate you guys watching. So until the next video, you guys stay safe out there and peace. And if you enjoy content like this, check out the next videos.